Welcome to this Sellercloud tutorial on how to link a WFS shipment plan to a purchase order and vice versa. This feature is a convenient way to streamline your workflow and order the right quantities for your WFS shipments. Please note that you can only link one WFS shipment plan to one purchase order. There are 4 options for WFS shipment plan to PO synchronization. Link to new PO. This option creates a new purchase order and links the shipments items to it. Link to existing PO. It links the shipments items to an existing purchase order. Copy to new PO. This creates a new purchase order but does not link it. Copy to existing PO. This copies the shipments items to an existing purchase order. Before we begin, make sure that the app Setting EnablePO and WFS Workflow is enabled. If it's not enabled, please contact Sellercloud Support to ensure this setting is activated for your account. To associate a WFS shipment plan with a specific purchase order, follow these steps. Navigate to Inventory, WFS Shipment Plans, and select Manage WFS Shipment Plans. Search for the shipment you want to work with and open it. Go to the Shipments panel and select the desired shipment. From the Action menu, choose Generate or Sync PO. You'll be redirected to a new page where you'll find the 4 synchronization options we discussed earlier. Choose the appropriate option and click Next. If you're linking or copying to a new purchase order, you'll need to enter a new or existing PO name and select the vendor. Click Finish to complete the process. Here's what you need to do to associate a purchase order with a particular shipment plan. Navigate to Purchasing, then Manage POs and open a purchase order. From the Actions menu, select Sync to WFS Shipment Plan. A pop-up window will appear. Select the sync option of your choice. Let's take an example of copy to new WFS shipment. Choose a company and fill in a shipment name. Select the SKUs you want to be copied over to the shipment. Add the quantity for WFS. Select a WFS shipment SKU. If the SKU on the PO is not enabled for WFS, the drop-down will display its WFS enabled shadows. When you create a WFS shipment plan from a purchase order, the system will automatically set the expected delivery date to 7 days in the future. It's important to note that if you ever need to unlink a WFS shipment plan from a purchase order, it's easy to do. Simply open the purchase order, go to the Action menu, and select Unlink from WFS shipment plan. This will break the connection, but any items that were copied over will remain intact. Thanks for watching.